What if you could create digital images that literally take seconds, and literally anybody anywhere on the planet can do this? You do not have to be an artist. You don't have to know a single thing about graphic design. Literally anybody, anywhere can do this and make it work. It is super simple and you can make money from it. That sounds interesting. Stick with me because I think you're going to love what I have to tell you in my review of AI Art Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime, man in the hat.
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can go ahead and skip ahead because my jokes, they're really, really stale. They are boring. I get it. I know they're boring. Okay, but they're my jokes. I like them, so I tell them anyway. And you know what? Maybe someday I'll be a dad. In the meantime, I'm a dad to two cats who constantly try to get into my videos, but I've closed the door. You can see behind me, the door's closed, so they can't get in this time. Thank goodness. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: to review software and info products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Seriously. Nobody wants the crap. Nobody. Okay, you don't want it. I don't want it. These people don't want it. So stop talking about crap. Let's do this. If you're new, the way these work, if I like a product, I will give it a tip of my head to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, I see Liz, she's a sweetheart, and I love Liz. I can't get angry at her, seriously. But you know what? She also says the same thing all the time. But anyhow, but seriously, if you're new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. He's looking right now at the sales page for AI Art Empire. I'm actually going to show you how this whole concept works in just a moment. You can see that the top of my screen is blacked out because I don't want to show you the exact place that gets used for this, but I am going to show you how it works. I'm going to show you my very first creation, which literally took me seconds to do. Basically, all you have to do is to be able to use your imagination, think of something that you want to put together, and you can make it. Now, Alessandro, who is the creator of this course, he put together these images using this software, and it literally takes seconds to make them. They look really, really nice, actually. Now, I personally, I'm not into, these kind of things. I personally prefer to do stuff that's a little bit more, I don't know, Norman Rockwell kind of stuff, very Americana and more lifelike. So my very first image, it literally took me about 5 seconds to make this. I'll show you right here. This is what I put in. I put in children playing in a park. And this is what the software came up with. And it actually looks really, really nice. I gotta say, this is not bad at all. And now, 1 second, let me get back to here. Basically, and this was literally my first attempt ever at using this thing. I just did it like about 2 minutes before I started recording this video. So you can see what I've done here. With this thing, and it's really, really cool, actually. Basically, all you have to do is sign up for this website. You'll be able to make up to 25 images per day for free. Now, Alessandro's going to show you more of the tips and tricks on how to use this website so you can actually make all of these images really pop, because you can see that my first image looks okay, but I didn't really know what I was doing. I just kind of gave it a description, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I'm going to show you what happens when I put it in just a moment. But I didn't really think it through very carefully. And the more you think it through very carefully, the better off you're going to be with creating really high quality images that people will love. Now, why would you want to create these images? Well, I'll tell you why. Because people will buy them from you. Okay, once you create them, you can sell these things. Now, so I'm just going to show you how to sell them on Etsy, which is a great place to sell on. You can make a lot of money from them. But I've got two bonuses I'm going to give you with this that I think are really going to make this course pop for you that nobody else is going to offer you. So first and foremost, I've got a list of 30 other marketplaces that you can sell content on, just like this. So you're going to be able to sell these things in all kinds of other places and make even more money from it. So that's going to be one of the things that you're going to get from me. The other thing I'm going to give you, though, one thing I've realized, a lot of people, they don't want just a digital image. They want the image printed on something like on a canvas or on a mug, or they want it in a picture, whatever it is. I found a website where you can find discounts, sometimes free, sometimes for like $1 or $2, to print mugs. For example, let me show you, I'm drinking right now from my, whoops, let me get into the image here. This is my Enterprise coffee mug that I created using this very website. And my mug cost me $2, literally. And it's a beautifully done mug. You can see here, obviously, I just took an image of the Enterprise. I'm a big Trekkie. You can see here, this was a $2 mug. Now, ordinarily, something like this would go for about $30. Now, if I wasn't interested in keeping this, I could have turned around and sold this mug on Etsy for 20 bucks easily and made a nice profit off of it. It even comes already pre-packaged. When I picked it up, it came packaged in a nice foam material. So all I would really have to do is just put some tape on it, put a label on it, and ship it to the customer, and I make money. So I'm going to show you exactly what that website is, how to find the best deals for printing stuff on that website. It changes all the time. So every single day there's new stuff, but I see these offers constantly from different places, pretty much every day or every other day. So I know that they're always available. And once you know about it, you can look for these things. By the way, you can look for other deals also, but this, I want to speak specifically about how to make money off of this. So you can actually look for these deals. And sometimes they're free, sometimes $1 or $2. You can, if you create a digital artwork that you like, you can go ahead and have it printed on these things and then turn around and sell them on Etsy. And you'll make actually a lot more money selling a canvas, for example, that you paid $5 for. You could sell that canvas for $100, $200, because you can say it's your original artwork. And when it's on a canvas, people like it better. They want to buy it. If it's on a mug, people want to buy it. Okay, just a digital image, you can certainly sell those on Etsy as well, but it's not going to sell as well as if you give them these things. And plus, of course, again, I'm going to give you all these other websites you can sell your digital images as well. But I think this is really going to help you pop with this particular method. So let me show you the members area real quick. It's on Teachable. And I haven't even gone through all these different things about how to do everything. He shows you in great detail exactly what he did in order to create these things. But I'm going to show you just real quick what happens here. So I'm going to go to this website here that they sent me to, and we're just going to type in /imagine. Okay, and let's think of something cool to do. Let's try to do, I don't know, classic Americana. Let's see, 1950s family having a vacation at Niagara Falls. Put down realistic, okay, maybe, and let's see what the software comes up with. And basically what's going to happen is this is creating images for all kinds of different people who have been requesting things. So I got to kind of scroll down because there's a lot of images that were created. And it'll take just a few minutes for it to create what I requested. And it's actually going to create an image for me that is based on what I just typed in. You can see how long it takes. And all these different, you can see, by the way, different images that people created over here. And it's actually creating them in real time. People just put in whatever it is that they're interested in getting created. So you can see, let's see, hyper realistic, fit woman, angel wing. So it created this for them. Okay, chicken top on rice on wood table. Okay, and created that. All right, and it literally goes just that fast. Here's mine. classic Americana, 1950s family having a vacation. And these are really nice looking, you know, this is a very, very nice Norman Rockwell type of a photo that I could easily turn around and sell on Etsy, on any of these other websites, and I could have it printed up as a canvas, and it looks really, really nice. It looks like a nice painting. Okay, for example, this corner one over here, that's really, really lovely. You know, that's a very lovely photo. And it literally took, you can see this was done in real time. It takes seconds to do. Really, really cool stuff here. And again, this is free for up to 25 images per day. And it's limited just by your own imagination of what you can think of. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
I tip my hat to you.
Yeah, seriously, huge tip of my hat. I love this thing. This is awesome. It is so cool that you can do this, and it literally takes seconds to create. And you know what? This is great, you know, and with my bonus, you're really going to get a lot out of this. Grab this, you're going to love it.